What happens when an emu outbreak turns into a bizarre war? In 1932, Australian farmers found themselves fighting against thousands of emus invading their crops. Armed with machine guns, soldiers set out to regain control, but the crafty birds proved to be elusive and resilient. As bullets flew, the emus seemed to dodge and weave, turning the battlefield into a comedy of errors. With little success, the farmers ultimately surrendered, humorously declaring defeat to the birds. This strange episode highlights not just the challenges of rural life, but also serves as a reminder of nature's unpredictable strength and resilience. So who really won the Great Emu War?